BMW electric vehicles are compatible with all public charging stations, including NACS Partner Tesla Superchargers, when an approved adapter is used. When it's time to charge, BMW makes it easy. Access all the top charging providers with only one app, the My BMW app, and one charging account with Shell Recharge. An additional account with Electrify America gives you a complimentary charging package with the purchase of your BMW EV. Once account setup is complete in the My BMW app, you're ready to enjoy the full benefit of the BMW charging network. Easy access to over 180,000 charging points across North America from over 15 providers, and the plug-in charge feature at compatible stations. No need to use credit cards or download multiple apps to start charging. Here's how to enroll. Shell Recharge connects multiple different charging operators so BMW customers can use all the major charging providers across the US and Canada with just one account in the My BMW app. To set up your account, open the My BMW app and under Charging, select More, and under Services, tap Shell Recharge and Get an Account. Follow the instructions to enter the Shell Recharge Account Center and agree to terms. Now, set up your payment method by entering your credit card and then tap Save. This will integrate payment, so there will be no need to use a separate credit card while at the station. Your Account Center home screen will display a message indicating a plug-in charge contract certificate has been created and sent to your vehicle. Your account is now set up, and you can use the My BMW app to charge at all these charging providers and more. Through BMW's collaboration with Electrify America, you can enjoy complimentary charging access through the nation's largest open DC fast charging network. Here's how to set up your account and enroll in the complimentary charging program. Use your My BMW app and a connected BMW. Scroll to Charging, and under Services, select Electrify America. Then, tap Create a Charging Account. Next, select Redeem a new premium offer. Accept the terms, and follow the steps to select the premium charging plan that corresponds to your specific model and model year. Enter your enrollment code when prompted. Tap Verify and confirm. Then, add your payment details. Everything look okay? Select Confirm. That's it. Your account is now set up and you can use your complimentary charging plan. For eligible models, there is one final step needed to activate your BMW for plug-in charge. Select the Charging app, then Plug and Charge. Tap the toggle button. All set. You're now able to use Plug and Charge. Plug and Charge allows you to simply plug in your vehicle at compatible stations and walk away without any interaction with the station or app. As a reminder, only one plug-in charge contract can be selected for use at any given time. Your BMW will automatically select the right contract for the charging station you're parked at. When you exit your vehicle, the Goodbye screen will indicate which contract is selected. Enjoy the ease of charging with the BMW charging network.
I'm sure you know a lot about your BMW, but there's so much more. So hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, and tap the notification bell to discover the full potential of your BMW. What are you waiting for?